Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, this is Fembam and Y. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make another beautiful balloon centerpiece using this balloon stand right here that I made. And if you want to know how to make this step-by-step and a detailed step-by-step tutorial, we have a video right there you can follow. Please check that out. And with that said, for today's project, I will be using 260 Qs right here, gold, and we have silver, chrome. Okay, they're both chrome. And we also have 5 inches chrome balloon right here. So I will inflate this 5 inches balloon, and we will inflate this to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeter using our balloon sizer. There you go, we have this attached. And then connect this right here. Put this on here and there, and then twist. So this will be on our base. Alright. By the way guys, the height of our balloon stand is about 20 inches. Okay. So put this here. So I'm gonna add another one layer right here. So total of 8 balloons. So the second layer would be a little smaller. This is gonna be inflated to 3.5 inches or 8.89 centimeter. So we will inflate our 260 Qs. So you wanna stretch this first. Alright, so we'll inflate our 260 Q. So leaving just a little hanging on the tip right there. Alright guys, so it's inflated, so you'll connect both silver together. And then both gold together. Alright guys, so now they're connected together. So we will put this on here. So silver goes right here. And then the gold is on the opposite side. If you look up from the top view, it's gonna be like that. Okay, so now we will twist them. So the first thing we're gonna do is we'll put the silver this way. The second one is your gold this way. So basically you want to do it like this, across from each other. Okay, that's the first layer. Second layer, you want to put your silver this way, and then the other one this way. Same thing with the gold. You want this that way, this way. So every time you twist this, instead of going this way, you want to go on the opposite side, just like that. This side and that side. So each time you do, you go across. Way. So I do it this way so you'll be able to see it from the top view. So now on the side now you can see it's looking like that. Okay, nice, and there goes your chain. Okay, so I'm gonna push the air right here. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna make a pinch and then twist you want to wrap this here, the extra balloon. Same thing here, you want to pinch and twist. And then just wrap that on the top. Now I'm gonna twist my balloon right here. So it's not going nowhere. I do the same thing on the silver right here, pinch and twist. This is where we're gonna cut our balloon, okay? Alright, so the rest of this, I'll wrap that around tip of your balloon. Leaving the tip right there. So there you go, guys. That is your chain stand. Alright guys, so now we have another 5 inches balloon, the same size as this. Okay, we inflate it to 3.5. Alright, so this one right here will attach to here. So remember, we have like the little ends right here. We will connect it here. Also, I'll connect it to the tip. One on top. So now we'll use this 18 inches block reusable vinyl balloon. So we'll inflate this and this will be on the top. And we'll put this on the top. Alright guys, so now we'll personalize this balloon. We'll put our vinyl sticker here. There you go guys, it's finally done. So as you can see, I added some florals right there to complete the look. I hope you guys like this, and if you're still here and you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, share. And once again, this is FamBamNY, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!